Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to clean your small toaster oven. If you're new here, I'm Manisha and you're watching Manisha Vlogs. So let's get started here. To clean your small toaster oven, we need 2 tablespoons baking soda and 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons vinegar. Mix it all together very well. After you mix this all together, you need to use plastic gloves, hand gloves, or you can use a brush too. So this is my dirty oven. So first I'll remove this tray and silver foil out. I use this toaster oven almost 3 days in a week, so it gets dirty so fast. So I use this method, and this is very simple and easy and fast way to clean. So you can use the brush if you have a really dark stain. I don't have that much stain, so I'll use my hand. I'll apply this mixture all over, inside and outside, in same quantity, all inside area. Make sure you're using all over inside, like lines and corners. You can rub with your hand and use brush. After that, I wait for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I use this glove to clean. You can use any paper towel or clean clothes to wipe with the water. So I spray this plain water all over, outside and inside, and use this brush to scrub the corner. There is a corner which is so dirty, and I use this brush to clean all over inside the lines. toaster oven is shiny, nice and clean, ready to use. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.